What is do and don'ts in cough? Observant regarding the pattern of cough and what is triggering the cough. Do not treat recurrent cough, cold, fever at home. Do consult a pediatrician for the advice and treatment of the underlying cause. Do not feed the baby while sleeping or lying flat. Always give a propped up position. Do not lift the baby when they cough and vomiting. Turn them on their left side. Always adhere to the treatment prescribed by the pediatrician. Use cough syrup judiciously. Recurrent cough is less likely to be because of the bacterial infection. Antibiotic is not an answer to every cough.